Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Whenever we create content, if we are in digital marketing field or maybe we are creators, content creators, so normally we got stuck, right? Like what kind of content we should create. So the main thing is we just be a bit clear with the headline of it. So there are a lot of ways that we can use to create content. We have heard about ChatGPT. We know how to create content from Quillbot or different AI tools. Have you heard about like creating content from Canva? So let's do it together. Firstly, just get a few headlines, titles for maybe writing or say digital marketing. So you can think of tips of digital marketing, tips for writing, tips for graphic designing. These are some of the basic titles that you can go for. Other than this, if I would say, okay, let me a bit more clear with this title for graphic. Okay, digital marketing strat. Okay, let's jump into Canva. So whatever post you are opening, you can see this magic icon here. Right here you can see this magic icon. We have like underrated this icon. What we need to do, you need to click here, then you can click on magic write. You can write something here, so just avoid whatever it is written in this blank portion. Just avoid this. Let me delete this right now. Okay, just click here, click on magic write, and write something like, let me write digital marketing strategies. Okay, now what we need to do, you need to click, you can see all content right here. After that, what you can do is you can click copy it. If we want to create maybe monthly content or weekly content, so this is the great way to do this. Or if I have write like maybe I have mistaken this spelling, it should be digital. Okay, so after this you can also, let me try with more. uh, Go there, click on not text summarize. Okay, let me do it again. Magic write, let's write tips for writing a book. Let's see what it says. Now you can read this. Okay, it's so precise, so neat, clean, and step by step process. Start with a clear idea of what you want to write about and everything. That it's a great way to create your content. So I hope it would be helpful for many of you, and I wish it is something new for a few of you, because I know a lot of you must be like known about this, but still there would be a lot of people who don't know about this. So I hope this will be helpful for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. Stay tuned and bye bye. Take